Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you have internet connection but you cannot use your Google Play Store or browse any browser on your VIVO IQOO 5 Pro. So now let's try the browser. In this case it's gonna be Firefox. So we're gonna close this tab and now let's open something else, for example top articles. So there's a secure connection failed error, the same as with Google Play Store. So if we try to install any app, we won't be able to do it. Now let's try this one. Click install and now it's pending and it will be in that state forever until we fix that. So in order to fix this, let's cancel this for now. We'll need to move to our settings. From here, navigate to your system management, and it's right here. Go for the date and time and set auto. Now if we go back and open our browser, reload that same page, it works without any problem, and the same as with Google Play Store, we can retry installing this game and it should download momentarily. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.